if I've had a good sleep, Dr. Lamia,
Yeah, of course.
then I wake up looking far better.
Of course.
So sleep is, I mean, you know, we always say get our beauty sleep, don't
Yeah,
we?
at least 8 hours a day. And then, you know, I think when people get older as well, they don't sleep well. So,
Oh, but you know, is that because sometimes we wake up in the night as we get older? No,
Yeah.
but I heard that that's okay if you catch up on your sleep in the day. So perhaps have a cat nap later on. Maybe a son asleep in the afternoon. So
Yeah.
can we catch up on our sleep that way? Is that just as good?
yeah, of course. No, of course, if you have the 8 hours complete, it's okay. But if you have a nap in the afternoon, it's okay as well. It's not a big
You know, I think we should just all be more like cats. Have
Yeah.
a little sleep, curl up on the sofa,
Yeah.
a little sleep, re-energise and a stretch, and away we go. Alhamdulillah.
And then before you go to sleep, like, you know, two hours at least before you go to sleep, try to shut your system down. Don't think about something that irritates you the whole day, or a bad movie, or keep looking to the mobile and see the messages. Just start to relax. Just start to prepare your body to sleep, and then you'll have a good sleep.
Because if you go through your phone late at night and you're
Yeah.
flicking those posts, having a look, then it can kind of, like you said, stimulate your mind a little bit, and then you sort of, your eyes are a little bit wide when you should be feeling very sleepy and relaxed. So perhaps some lavender mist on your pillow.
Yes, try to make it comfortable for your body. Treat your body like a small baby, because the hormones, they change in the morning and in the evening.
Yes.
So don't fight with your body. The hormones in the evening, relaxing to make you sleep. Don't fight with it.
Look after ourselves,
Yes.
a nice bath, relaxing candles, and just generally wind down in the evening.
And obviously no caffeine at least 6 hours before you go to sleep.
6 hours?
Yes.
You see, that's where I'm going wrong. That's where I tend to think, oh, I haven't had a cup of tea for a while. I think
Yeah.
I'll have one before bed. That's
You
my
can have a
mistake.
decaffeinated tea.